Car wash soap removes dirt, grime, and contaminants, protecting paint and maintaining vehicles' shine. My today's video is about top 5 best car wash soap that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Adams Polish's Car Wash Soap. Adams Polish's Shampoo Car Wash Soap is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's finish safely and effectively. Its pH-neutral formula is ideal for weekly washing, even in full sunlight, and its advanced chemical technology suspends harmful minerals in water to prevent paint damage. The shampoo creates a slick, lubricated layer on all painted surfaces, gently lifting dirt and reducing the risk of scratching or harming the clear coat. Safe for all vehicle surfaces, including paint, rubber, vinyl, windows, and plastics, it produces a rich, thick, snow-like foam for a smooth washing experience without drying out trims or plastic components. With a pleasant wild berry fragrance, it works perfectly in a wash bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon, giving your vehicle thorough cleaning while preserving waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. Spot-free rinsing ensures no residue is left behind. Made in the USA and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, Adams Car Shampoo is a must-have for any car detailing arsenal. Now our second product is P&S Professional Detail Products Car Wash Soap. Pearl Premium Car Shampoo from the Rennie Doyle Double Black Collection delivers a professional-grade wash with outstanding results. Its high-foaming, ultra-slick formula creates thick, luxurious suds that cling to your vehicle, lifting dirt and grime safely without scratching paint. Whether using a hand mitt, foam cannon, or pressure washer, it ensures a smooth, swirl-free clean every time. pH-balanced and biodegradable, this shampoo is tough on dirt but gentle on waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings, making it safe for your car and the environment. Unlike harsh soaps, Pearl is also gentle on your hands, preventing dryness or irritation while providing a streak-free, polished finish. Adding a refreshing lemon scent, it elevates the detailing experience, leaving your car looking and smelling clean. Trusted by professional detailers and enthusiasts alike, Pearl combines over 50 years of expertise with top-tier performance. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking safe, effective, and enjoyable car washing at home or in a professional setting. Our third product is Rain-X Car Wash Soap. Rain-X Foaming Car Wash Soap is a trusted solution for achieving a brilliant, streak-free finish every time. Its high-foaming formula visibly reduces spots and streaks, ensuring your vehicle maintains a high-gloss shine without stripping or dulling existing waxed surfaces. The concentrated and biodegradable formula provides enhanced cleaning power while being environmentally friendly, safely lifting dirt, grime, and residues left by rain, sleet, snow, and other debris. Designed for ease of use, the car wash soap allows drivers to quickly hose off heavy dirt, mix 1 ounce of concentrate per bucket of water, and apply with a clean wash mitt or sponge, followed by a rinse and dry. For over 50 years, Rain-X has been a trusted brand, providing drivers with reliable products that help protect their vehicles and stay confident on the road. Rain-X Foaming Car Wash Soap combines effectiveness, safety, and simplicity, making it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain a sparkling, well-protected vehicle. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Hero Car Wash Soap, CWS_402_64SW, is a top-selling foam cannon soap designed for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Its thick foaming formula creates rich suds that safely encapsulate dirt and grime, reducing swirl marks and minimizing the risk of scratches while leaving paint, glass, wheels, and trim spotless and glossy. The pH-balanced formula is safe on all exterior surfaces and preserves wax, sealant, and ceramic coatings, ensuring protection remains intact after every wash. Versatile enough for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs, this soap delivers professional-grade results whether used with a foam cannon, foam blaster, or traditional bucket wash. Trusted by both beginners and experienced detailers, Mr. Pink consistently provides a smooth, swirl-free clean with a brilliant shine. The large 64-ounce bottle offers excellent value, providing multiple washes and pairing seamlessly with other Chemical Guys products for a complete car care routine. It's a reliable, high-quality choice for maintaining your vehicle's finish. And our last choice is Armor All Car Wash Soap. Armor All Multi-Purpose Interior Car Cleaning Spray is an essential solution for maintaining a spotless vehicle interior. This 16 fluid ounces bottle delivers powerful cleaning action for a wide range of surfaces, including dashboards, vinyl, clear plastics, carpet, and fabric. Its stain-removing formula effortlessly tackles tough dirt, dust, grime, and stubborn smudges caused by sunscreen, food spills, or daily use, restoring your car's interior to a fresh, clean state. Tested safe for all automotive surfaces, it effectively cleans without causing damage to delicate materials, ensuring your car retains its original beauty. The spray's versatility makes it perfect for both routine maintenance and deep cleaning sessions, saving time and effort. With Armor All Multi-Purpose Interior Car Spray, keeping your vehicle's interior clean, polished, and well-maintained is quick and convenient. It's a reliable, user-friendly product that every car owner can depend on for effective, streak-free results every time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.